Hello and a warm welcome from Greg here at Jaguar Crewe dealership. Today is this fantastic and very rare offering in the form of this Jaguar F-Pace SVR. This P550 SVR model is finished in this gorgeous grey metallic colour and is now looking for a new home. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it right now with complete peace of mind. On top of already a wealthy spec, this model also comes with heads-up display, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, black pack, 22-inch black alloy wheels, and even a MERIDIAN sound system, which is guaranteed to pique your interest. Those 22-inch alloy wheels look absolutely gorgeous, as well as the sliding pan roof will let in plenty of natural light inside the cabin. Round the side, the privacy glass gives a nice contrast against the paint, and for ease of use and access, there is even keyless entry and start. Passengers in the rear will be very happy, as the cabin offers loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with the sports SVR seat available both in the front and the rear. The sliding roof will let in plenty of light, and the rear seats are even heated as well for added comfort, offering independent rear air vents, magazine holders, center armrests, and even 2 ISOFIX child anchor points. As we move to the rear, there is also full LED taillights with sweeping indicators and large quad exhaust pipes for a true sportier look. When your hands are full, you'll be happy to know there's power opening and closing tailgate, revealing a cavernous boot space, and that's before you fold down the rear seats. Additional netting, storage, and shopping hooks with a 12-volt socket will be on offer, as well as hidden compartment underneath. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also offer you a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, interactive driver display function, as well as the front seats will have plenty of adjustment thanks to them being electrically adjustable and heated for added comfort as well. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this F-Pace SVR. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this beast, it's a beautiful place to find yourself in. Quality soft touch materials with decorative door and dash inserts will add to the overall effect, and the MERIDIAN sound system will offer a crisp sound note throughout the cabin. All the usual driver controls can be easily laid out, and the steering wheel itself is even heated for added comfort, and the left side of the wheel will operate the interactive driver display ahead. Offering crisp high-definition graphics, it's an absolute joy to use. Various information, such as control of the head-up display, can easily be displayed, and you can see it here for yourself too. Additionally, you'll be able to change the display layout. For example, you can change it from 2-dial to a 1-dial view, or if you prefer, full map widescreen view can be enabled, which is ideal when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Other great features will allow you to optimize the all-wheel drive system, for example choosing rain, ice, snow for added grip. Eco mode will prioritize fuel economy and efficiency. Comfort is best for daily driving, with a dynamic mode offering a more sporty, spirited drive. The center tablet is the key brain of the vehicle and it will have all your entertainment needs covered, offering a more traditional menu or a quick use, such as the satellite navigation, which will offer both 2D and 3D mapping views. Bluetooth telephony is also available for your phone, but also offers audio wireless media streaming, with radio stations being offered across the AM, FM and DAB digital radio platform. The more traditional menu has also got additional controls, such as the seat heating functionality, which is easily laid out. The seats are not only heated, but are cooled as well, and you can choose for up to 3 modes on either side. Climate control system can also be controlled in exactly the same way, with large buttons that are easy to operate whilst on the move. The dynamic ice system will also allow you to play around with the configurable dynamics, so you can truly optimize the feel of this SVR to suit your own needs. The all-surface ASI information will let you know what the all-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment, and the reverse parking camera system is fully complemented by the 3D surround view with this virtual icon of the car here. It's ideal when parking up to a curb to make sure you don't scratch those 22-inch alloy wheels, and it will offer plenty of reassurance. Moving down the cabin, physical controls for the 2-zone control system are available, but you can also control the heated and cooling seat by pushing the dial away from you. But if you were to pull the dial towards you, you can also operate the power of the fan through simple numerical numbers as those displayed. Heated front windscreen is ideal for frosty months, as well as a wireless smartphone charger is also on offer. Large cup holders and center armrests are great to use, whilst the sunroof is easily operated via physical controls. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace P550 SVR that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.